Hello again, it's me, the Oli Tal. You know, when you see me, you know I'm here for the good news. You're in for a lot of surprise. I can't wait to show you inside. So come with me, let's go. Hi, how are you? Good evening, nice to meet you. Yeah? Oh, thank you so much.
Mambo, mambo, que te merida, rica, 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 chupurletu. Ay, mambo, mambo, que te merida, rica, 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 chupurletu.
Did you know that when it comes to cocktail, Tamala is the absolute best? My favorite cocktail here is the Tamala Delight, and it's an orange juice, pineapple juice, mango, and grenadine. It's so amazing. I can't wait to try it today. Oh, thank you so much. This looks amazing. There's so much nuance here. I'm sure you can see so many new things for those who love Tamala so much. So what did we do? We can extend the inside to the outside. You want to see that? You have to come right here. This is luxury, class, and a whole new experience for you. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. So guys, we're here with the amazing Chef Bakary, the man behind all the deliciousness. The food was amazing. You know, I've had lobsters in many parts of the world, but I could say this is one of the best I've ever had.
Well, my seasoning is just a simple thing because I use lime juice.
Oh, don't tell the secret. Don't tell the secret.
Okay, good.
You're doing an absolutely amazing job. I had an amazing time. The food was amazing. So hats off to you. Huh? So guys, we're here and we have two beautiful guests here. I think they're a couple. You look amazing together, by the way. You look amazing together. So tell us, where are you guys from? I'm gonna start with the lady. Ladies first. Huh? From Holland.
Yes.
How is it in Holland?
It's very cold.
Very cold.
Yes.
So this is a really nice weather for you. You guys are enjoying that? You really are? How do you find it in Tamala? What do you like most about here?
The people are very kind. And,
Yes.
the food is nice, and yes, everything's very nice.
So you're happy. It was an amazing, amazing time. As you can see, I'm really full, I'm bloated, I ate. I'm trying it hard to finish the drink. So you know what the drill is. Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays, you need to check out the Tamala. If you're into your seafood, this place is for you. But for the meat lovers, we don't forget you because we have ribeye steak. You need to check this place out. It's amazing and you're gonna love the interior, you're gonna love the food, the staff, the chef was amazing. Thank you so much, Tamala, for hosting me, for having me. Like I said, I feel like a queen. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Mambo, mambo, que te merida, rica, 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 chupurletu. Ay, mambo, mambo, que te merida, rica, 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 chupurletu. A ti solita yo te amaré, a ti solita.